Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas, and if you've watched my last video, I think it was my last video, you may recognize these colors. They're metallics. I've got, this is purple, and that's from Artist Loft. And then this one here, I actually mixed iridescent medium, Artist Loft iridescent medium in with Liquitex Basics quinacridone magenta. And then this one, love this color, it is metallic cobalt blue from Artist Loft. And then this is gold, 14 karat gold from FolkArt. I will be using white. I've got white in my bottle. Now this white is a little bit thinner. I'm trying something a little different today with my mix of my white. And that is, I'm not sure where my bottle is, but it is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. So I am going to start with my cup, and I am going to start with the cobalt blue first. I'm actually going to just be dumping, pouring it on the canvas. So hopefully I'm making enough here. I didn't want these colors to go to waste, so, and they are all mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water. If you watched my last video, I was just trying a different mix. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a little zhuzh, if I can find a stick. Give it a little zhuzh there. And now I'm just going to pour it on. Alright guys, we're going to go in for the close-up. It looks pretty cool. I do have cells popping up, and I do not recall putting any silicone in these colors. I know I put them in the cup that I put all the colors in on my last pour that I used with these, but not in the colors themselves, so I'm not really sure, but it turned out pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the links in my description, and have a great day.